In this video, I'll give you some tips on how you can play ADC better in League of Legends. Now first, there's some settings that you should have, and the first one is come into player movement, find player attack move, and choose a key binding that's easy for you to press. Now mine is A, and what this will do is it will give you the range and also attack move. Now, if you don't know what attack move is, basically, it's if you click somewhere, it's gonna attack instead of moving. So let's say I wanna attack this guy. If I click A and then click, you can see I'm still gonna hit him, even if I don't click on him, right? Now, if I use right click only, of course I'll hit him, but if I misclick, like this, I'll just walk instead. And that can really ruin it when you're fighting. So use A to attack, just like this. And I recommend doing this on every champion. Now the other one is come into game, use attack move on cursor. What this does is it will attack the one closest to your A click and not the one closest to you. Now if you have it off, what it will do is if I press A and attack here, I'll still hit this guy. But since I have it on, I'm gonna shoot this one. Now let's check for kiting. Let me get some attack speed real quick. Let's just get all random attack speed items. Okay, let's do like this. Now to kite in League of Legends, you want to use your attack move, and then you want to right click right after. So attack, move, attack, move, attack, move. Just like this. Now if you do it fast, you can do it like this, and you'll be able to see you're kiting. What this does is you can dodge abilities while you're still attacking. Just make sure you wait for your auto attack to go off before you move. Otherwise you can cancel your auto attack and that's gonna ruin it. But this is basically how you can do it, guys. Now if you know how to do these things, it will be much better in your ranked games and you're gonna improve much faster. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.